Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today with this video we are going to discuss about the general MBA and the specialized MBA so that you will get a clear idea that while choosing the specialization in the MBA which one is best for you. So basically with this video we are going to discuss about the curriculum, what will be the learning, what about the placements, what about the salary for the general MBA and the specialized MBA, and what are the colleges you can target with according to your specialization. So basically there is one misconception among the students. They think like that the specialized MBA is one step above the general MBA. They think that the specialized MBA has more value than the general MBA. But it is not true. If we consider the general MBA and the specialized MBA, both the degrees has equal value. In fact, there are IIMs also, they provide the general MBA only. Like if we consider the example of IIM Ahmedabad, then Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad provides you the general MBA. If you see the degree of the IIM Ahmedabad, then on the degree it is mentioned as the Masters of Business Administration only. And there are some colleges which provides you the specialization. Like for example, if you have completed your MBA in the finance or marketing, then on the degree it will be mentioned as the Masters of Business Administration in the finance or marketing, or PGDM in finance and PGDM in marketing. Even there are some colleges कि जिनमें कुछ specialization major specializations होते हैं and कुछ specialization minor specializations होते हैं. For example, if you have completed your MBA in the finance is the major specialization and operations, whereas operations is the minor specialization, then on the degree it will be mentioned as the Masters of Business Administration in the finance and operations. So coming to the very first point is about the curriculum. So if we consider the general MBA, then for the general MBA in the first year, the subjects will be the common subjects. Like there are subjects from the marketing, HR, finance. ये जो subjects होते हैं सब mixed subjects होते हैं. And in the second year, you have the flexibility that according to your choice, you can choose the subjects. For example, if you are moreover interested in the marketing, so you can choose the subjects from the marketing. Or if you want the domain knowledge of every domain, so at that time you can choose some subjects from marketing, some from finance, some from HR. So you have that flexibility. Whereas if we consider that in the specialized MBA, then in the specialized MBA there are two types of MBA. Like first is जो कॉलेजेस होते हैं जिनमें आपको स्पेशलाइजेशन सेकंड ईयर में चूज करना होता है. इन द फर्स्ट ईयर यू हैव टू स्टडी द कॉमन सब्जेक्ट्स ओनली, लाइक कुछ HR के, कुछ फाइनेंस के, कुछ मार्केटिंग के. एंड इन द सेकंड ईयर यू हैव टू चूज द स्पेशलाइजेशन एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू योर स्पेशलाइजेशन जो सिलेबस होता है वो डिजाइन होता है एंड यू हैव टू स्टडी अकॉर्डिंगली फॉर योर पर्टिकुलर स्पेशलाइजेशन. बट देर आर सम कॉलेजेस लाइक SP Jain जिसमें स्पेशलाइजेशन आपको एट द टाइम ऑफ एडमिशन ही चूज करना होता है. सो इनका इंटरव्यू ही जो होता है वो स्पेशलाइजेशन बेस्ड इंटरव्यू होता है. लाइक अगर आपको फाइनेंस में इंटरेस्ट है तो आपका फाइनेंस बेस्ड इंटरव्यू रहेगा एंड एट द टाइम ऑफ एडमिशन ओनली यू हैव टू चूज योर स्पेशलाइजेशन. सो फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपने MBA इन फाइनेंस चूज किया है, सो फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट ईयर ओनली आपके जो मेजर सब्जेक्ट्स रहेंगे वो फाइनेंस से रिलेटेड रहेंगे एंड इन द सेकंड ईयर ऑल्सो योर स्पेशलाइजेशन विल स्टार्ट. सो फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट ईयर एंड ऑनवर्ड्स ओनली आपके फाइनेंस के रिलेटेड सब्जेक्ट्स जो रहेंगे वो ज़्यादा रहेंगे. सो देर आर सम कॉलेजेस कि जिनमें आपको फर्स्ट ईयर में ही स्पेशलाइजेशन जो होता है वो चूज करना होता है. Now if we consider the advantages and disadvantages for the general MBA and the specialized MBA, so for the general MBA you have all the options open, you have that much flexibility. Like स्टार्टिंग में ही हम इतने श्योर नहीं होते हैं दैट इन विच स्पेशलाइजेशन वी आर इंटरेस्टेड विद. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपने जनरल MBA में एडमिशन ली है, सो एट द टाइम ऑफ प्लेसमेंट यू हैव ऑल द ऑप्शंस ओपन. यू कैन टेक योर सेल्फ इन द मार्केटिंग, यू कैन टेक योर सेल्फ इन द फाइनेंस, HR. जो भी कंपनीज के इंटरव्यूज होते हैं यू कैन अटेम्प्ट ऑल ऑफ देम एंड वेयर एवर यू गेट सिलेक्टेड एट दैट टाइम योर पर्टिकुलर डोमेन विल स्टार्ट एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन शेप योर फ्यूचर. And the second advantage in the general MBA is about the network building. So if we consider the general MBA, then first year में जो सभी students होते हैं वो सभी specializations के होते हैं. So already आपका network जो होता है वो build up होता है. But if we consider in the second year also, आपको सभी कुछ आप marketing के choose करते हो subjects, कुछ finance के करते हो, कुछ HR के करते हो. So at that time you have the opportunity to connect with all the candidates, and that is the reason there is maximum chance to build up with your network. Whereas if we talk it about the specialized MBA, so in the specialized MBA there is an advantage about the domain knowledge. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपने MBA इन मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट में कंप्लीट किया है, सो एट द टाइम यू हैव ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द नॉलेज अबाउट द मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट. सो व्हेन एवर देयर इज अ प्लेसमेंट ड्राइव, सो एट द टाइम ऑफ प्लेसमेंट्स अगर आप कोई मार्केटिंग कंपनी में रिक्रूटमेंट चल रही है और आप उसका इंटरव्यू अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हो, सो एट दैट टाइम द इंटरव्यू विल गिव द प्रेफरेंस टू यू. सो दिस इज द वन बेनिफिट ऑफ द स्पेशलाइज्ड MBA. And whereas if we talk about the disadvantage, then you have to be very sure about the particular specialization. अगर आपको MBA in marketing करना है, you are very sure about that, then it is well and good. But for example, अगर आपने marketing में admission ली है and after that you realize that you are moreover interested in the finance, so it is quite difficult to switch the role or it is quite difficult to shape up your future later on. So you have to be very sure with your specialization. Now coming to the list of colleges you can target with according to your specialization. So coming to the very first specialization is Master of Business Administration in Finance Management. So for the finance you can target with the top IIMs. Even the IIM Calcutta is one of the good option you can have a look on. Then JBIMS, Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies. This is the another good option for the finance. Then SP Jain is also one of the good option you can target with for the finance management. Then coming to the next specializations is Masters of Business Administration in Operations. So if you want to complete your MBA in the operations, so at that time you can target with the IIM Mumbai, which was earlier known as NITI. Then Indian Institute of Management Bangalore is the another good option you can have a look on. Then IIT Bombay and IIT Delhi are also the good colleges for MBA in operations. Then coming to the next specialization is Masters of Business Administration in Human Resource Management. So if you want to complete your MBA in the HR, so at that time you can choose with the Accelerate. Accelerate can be the definite option for the HR management. Then you can choose with the SCMHRD, SIBM, MDI Gurgaon, then TIS. So these are the options you can choose for the HR management. Then coming to the next specialization is Masters of Business Administration in the Consulting, which offers a generalized role. So again for this you can target with the top IIMs like IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta. Then coming to the next specialization is Masters of Business Administration in Marketing. So if you want to complete your MBA in the Marketing Management, again you can target with the top IIMs. Then FMS, Faculty of Management Studies Delhi is the another good option. Then MDI Gurgaon. If you specifically want to complete your MBA from the marketing or media and communication, so at that time you can target with the MICA Ahmedabad also. So this is all about the general MBA and the specialized MBA. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.